Me mamoni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Sometimes o tin bia na o ka se enti eye akukudro fin ana se sebe eye sebe mo fa me asema me be kan cheme eye akukudro fin ana se sebe eye jimie. Ansa na beto aso na subscribe na click the notification bell no so ye na sa latest news bi aba won sa ebeka. For story eba from Temale and say Nkrofobi akoto ato police force ama police ni ba ko omo ache na bona matiefo nyame ambemu a nkomu ku no ewo ho ade na si asemben maami bi na trese ye report fa ne ho ewo police station ho se krono nsembi na as police for womo person mo ye investigation ebi asem na chini ntino de na wo so mo ye ene se wo mo ko maame ne nso ho no mo ko invite no eba eye police station now wo mo ko ho no wo mo at police car mu police woman no ene other police people are wo mo ti eye police car mu ena trese wo mo esiye wo mo do area ho na trese wo mo siye wo mo nam na trese wo mo hu maame no ena wo mo frɛ maame no se wo mbra na wo mo wasem bia wo mo pese wo mo ebisa no ye be ha ne se maame no afra ne mma watu afra ne mma ewo area ne mu se ne mma ne mbro area mu ho ne nso ne mba ene ne mba ne ndanfo ende wo mu na be bodom pem na police for no na ye omo se ya asem na aba ene ye be se ye investigation to wo fra wo ma ne se wo mu mbra no anye wo mo se wo fra ne mma ne se wo mu mbra no mo bebu wo mu police for no omehia ne se ne mba no ene ne nanfofo na atiegu police for yi so ende na wo police ne obetumi edwane na so udwane for your life. You have to run for your life because they didn't go there with guns. Intino police ni ba no went to me endwane sa ena tese wo monsa eso ne mu a ende ebro enye easy wo mo bona etiefo wo mo bona ma she blacked out. Ye kase bo bi black out. She fell unconscious. Na fe wo movie biom. Na sa ade no one thing ewo Ghana ne say sometimes obi black out eye say nipa ko na ewu. Enti ye no ene ma ngofo ne hu say as a police woman no wewu ena wo mo gya ne hokoye. Ena ye fa na ye de no ekọ eye Temale teaching hospital Mirekaso and am ne wo ka say we regain consciousness were responding well to treatment. And no near someone esi about Temale. Na asem we sabi enya kukudro fin and I said the enye jimia. Ubenya kukudro se wo bu police woman say. Na de bia someone make an say enkrofo etumi ye enyama bima. At the end of the day, ube bisa won say inti sabi de we ya nipa ko yi wa ye nipa ko no wa dwen ehun ne say what is life after this action you've taken? Obviously, when you say there's no way you are going to get it easy. I feel as a police for no ebeba say we mo be chill more. This time so ni yeka say lockdown e na ube jane akọ. Police for no we mo nchill. Because police for ewo krum. U jane akọ he. Etiefo esi sa no and a police for now a war on so bufu ya because almost say this is not the first time, this is not the second time, this is not the third time, this is not the fourth time. Kwa yes sa Temale hono ya da ni wo musu. Wonya asempe no na wa organizing crofo na ya bu police for. Wonya asempe no na wa organizing crofo na ya bu police for. Enti ya da ni Temale fu su enda me ne wo kasa. Even some people are womo yes anomo ye police force ade ne da no ya chi omo de omo akokos ama ya chi omo kratum na so still ya ade ankrofo bi e Temale ho no still womo so ombe sa just say ya koda ne trend won sro police we police na me de oba mebo. People don't know this, but once police ni yes uniform na any kwan say wo don sa e ka no because he has the right. Him random man who can say one year the obey bia. Any kwansa wode wonsa e kan so wo she uniform na any kwansa wode wonsa kan. People don't know this. Etiefo obi be bisanti esi ye den what happened afterwards. Na police for no ehun se sa de we esi. Na mo say ya hwe han e man krofo yi. Wo mo sorry wo mo boyen. Eyo mo say ye yemre and eyo mo say ye weak. Ye betro mo nyansa enende police for no sua wo mo ho eko area nemu. Ye eseweni embro area for no. And you see one thing about that thing and say we say we bia we innocent no. Na police for na chena bona kan. Ebia na nipa ko no ye bu police ni no kra woni ho. Ebia na wada na wo beti asem no. Ya ko ye say samo be kaya embra Maxo Mahama. Sa denche obo asefo ni bi bu no eku no. Later ye tutu asojafo ekogu denche obo asefo no. People who were even not part, they suffered. People who were even not part of a year or more omobo a year Maxo Mahama no, they suffered. Omo breye. Until the same thing happened. Police for no call hono, and ye a bro near saying yama, and it affected even people who knew nothing about the thing. Yeah, papa. Yeah. Mr. Remo. Me de send ya medin kan aka no. Me nim akukudrofin a ebema wo bienya a nipa kona ka se enu ntimete ne mensa abu police no. Eye case no bi akomeki wo police station. Who say wasem eye da. What is the best way to do? Or what is the best step you can take? Simply, you just go to the police station. You also say your story. You be granted bail. Police on the bay and hwehwemu. When say asem no one yet. And later we be who say okay, asem the try call police e kan eye ne hwe. Oh yeah. You just go and plead with Nipakuno or the asem no come police for no. Nipakuno be try asem the police station. It's as simple as that. Because it is in the police court kwa. Sometimes obi court. You to me court say oh you pay out of court settlement. E ka you pay out of court settlement. Yes, e won say the asem na ba court and so court me ka beti say okay, mutu no mati say mo pay out of court settlement nti mo nko out of court na mo nko settle. I know na Ghana you can say yenko kan wo fie. Police also won betumi agye atum say because who na the case na ba. Na later okotra mo say you want to discontinue the case o person okokan wo fie they will allow you. So if you know you've done nothing wrong, why will you call your sons to come and beat the policewoman? It is as a policewoman na ko create you and na ko de bomb ba ni kuna na kamu area for no mo bibo fu say hey policewoman na bo nkofo tue ku omo nanso nebia policewoman she was protecting her life nebia ende hospital award day na ko onko da ho. She's responding well to treatment, but you don't know. Maybe after the treatment, the near say, Nensebu, unto me, nye bibium, Nenayebu, unto me, Nantibioma. Not to say police, a Jumano. Abono no. Because when police near the Nayebua, still, when police near the Nayebuda, still, wo police force nim. And our police near Sebenensa, Ebu, still, wo police. These security agencies no womo penkrofo asebe womo ensa omo nye disabled at any point. It is so ukodi them say what say na juma just because obi akoye report about you. Eya yema boni empin bebia eduru. Ebi mo wo ho a kokoti ye ne se wono de obi antumi ntaache no obi antumi ye ne hwe. Keseni asisi asem aba abedane asem kese. Even though police one also echo area ni mo ho na wo mo kobo nkrofo no, you see right now they will not even talk about it. They will not talk about the innocent people who have suffered from war mama no ade a wo waye. Won se ni akwa akoye. Police ni na sema ya ba na police ni na ya bo no. people will justify say ane so mo bu police woman it the police one akoye no so eye na so ebia na innocent people kra ebia nkofo mo yes ade ne kra no wo mo hu se wo mo abu policeman woman ebia wo mo feel say police woman na ewu no wo mo agya na fi area mu ho nti o mo aye ba ebebo o mo kra na ye nkrofo bia area no kra no o mo ni ho e ma sa ade na esiye ebi o mo di sa nyamransem no wetu efi area gya na fi area no mu ho to de bia yen sunson ye ho wo nyama bi mu try ma adwon comment box ni mo me da say